Welcome to Car Drift, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest specs, and all things automotive. Today, we take a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Lexus LFA, a supercar that carries the legacy of its predecessor while embracing modern innovation. The original LFA left a lasting impression on the automotive world, and Lexus has now redefined this masterpiece with cutting-edge technology, enhanced performance, and an aggressive yet refined design. The 2025 Lexus LFA is built with a focus on performance and exclusivity. Under the hood, this supercar features a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine, replacing the high-revving V10 from its predecessor. The new powertrain delivers an astounding horsepower output, ensuring a thrilling driving experience. Lexus has integrated hybrid technology into the LFA, offering an additional boost of electric power to enhance acceleration and efficiency. The combination of internal combustion and electrification results in a seamless power delivery, making the car a true masterpiece of engineering. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Lexus LFA is its aerodynamics. The body is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, ensuring an optimal power-to-weight ratio. Every line and curve is designed to reduce drag while maximizing downforce, providing exceptional stability at high speeds. The aggressive front fascia features sharp LED headlights and large air intakes, giving the LFA a menacing presence on the road. The active rear wing dynamically adjusts to improve aerodynamics, further enhancing the car's high-speed capabilities. The interior of the 2025 Lexus LFA is a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The driver's Supercar cockpit is designed with premium materials including Alcantara, carbon fiber, and high-quality leather. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, ensuring that the driver remains in full control. The infotainment system features the latest Lexus technology, including a high-resolution touchscreen, premium audio system, and seamless smartphone integration. The sport seats offer excellent support, ensuring comfort during long drives or intense track sessions. Lexus has equipped the 2025 LFA with state-of-the-art driving dynamics and handling features. The adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts to road conditions, providing optimal ride quality and cornering capabilities. The precise steering response and advanced traction control system ensure confidence-inspiring handling whether on winding roads or racetracks. The braking system is upgraded with high-performance carbon ceramic brakes, delivering exceptional stopping power even under extreme conditions. Technology and innovation play a significant role in the 2025 Lexus LFA. The supercar is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision prevention technology. These features enhance safety while allowing drivers to enjoy the full potential of the vehicle. The hybrid system is designed to optimize fuel efficiency without compromising performance, making the LFA a step ahead in the evolving supercar segment. Exclusivity has always been a defining characteristic of the Lexus LFA. Production numbers are limited, making this model a highly sought-after collector's item. Each unit is meticulously handcrafted, ensuring the highest standards of quality and precision. The combination of performance, luxury, and rarity makes the 2025 Lexus LFA a dream car for enthusiasts and collectors alike. The sound of the 2025 Lexus LFA is another remarkable feature. Lexus engineers have worked extensively to deliver a spine-tingling exhaust note reminiscent of the original V10 LFA. The twin-turbo V8 combined with the hybrid assist produces an exhilarating soundtrack that enhances the overall driving experience. Whether accelerating on an open road or pushing the limits on a track, the LFA's exhaust note is a symphony of power and precision. Lexus has introduced various customization options for the 2025 LFA, allowing buyers to personalize their supercar according to their preferences. From unique paint colors to bespoke interior trims, the level of customization ensures that each LFA is truly one of a kind. This attention to detail further adds to the exclusivity and desirability of the vehicle. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus LFA is a true testament to Lexus' commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation. With a powerful hybrid, assisted V8 engine, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and a meticulously crafted interior, this supercar sets a new benchmark in the automotive industry. The advanced technology and limited production make the LFA a rare gem, offering an unparalleled driving experience. The combination of heritage and modern engineering ensures that the LFA remains a legend in the world of high-performance automobiles. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest car models, reviews, and automotive insights, make sure to subscribe to Car Drift. We bring you the best content on supercars, luxury vehicles, and performance machines. Stay tuned for more exciting content and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Lexus LFA.